Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, back again with another quick tutorial. In today's video, we're going to check out how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks. So do you want to give your accountant access without sharing your login? Well, here's how to invite them safely in under 60 seconds. So the first step is to go to manage users. So from your QuickBook dashboard, click the gear icon in the upper right, and then under your company, select manage users. Step 2 is to click on accounting firms. So in the manage user window, switch to the accounting firms tab and then click invite to send an invitation. Step 3 is going to be to enter accountant's email. So type in your accountant's email address. Make sure it's the one that you use for QuickBooks. Then click save or invite, and that sends the invite directly to them. Step 4 is to wait for acceptance. Now, once your accountant accepts, they'll have secure access to your books with special accounting tools. You can remove or change access at any time in the Manage User area. A bonus tip: accountants get free access to your QuickBooks Online account. You won't be charged anything extra. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.